how to delete recordings from your library on YouTube TV. If your library is getting cluttered or you simply want to remove old shows, this tutorial will help you clean up your recordings. Let's get started. First, let's open the YouTube TV app on your device. You can do this on your smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. Once you're on the app, tap or click on the library. This is where all your recordings are stored. Scroll through your library to find the recording you want to delete. If you have a lot of recordings, you can search the function to find it correctly and quickly. Tap or click on the recording to open its details. This will bring up more information about the show or movie. Now look for the remove or delete option. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the recording. Confirm by selecting yes or remove, and that's it. The recording has been deleted from your library.